Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time on my channel, I am Sofoni Admin and welcome to my channel. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload a video. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my wash day routine. If you guys missed the video where I show how I did my pre-poo before washing my hair, you can go ahead and watch it after this video and I'm going to put the link down below. So to start off, I had my hair separated in 4 sections from the last video. Right now, I'm rinsing out the products on my hair and scrubbing my scalp a little bit. I'm going to use this shampoo called Shea Moisture to cleanse my scalp. I bought this shampoo 2 years ago, made with Jamaican black castor oil and shea butter. And I'm going to use this much. You can find this shampoo in any beauty supply store. I think Amazon have it too. Shampoo is amazing and my hair loves it. I wish I had a picture to show you guys how my hair looked when it was heat damaged. I cut my hair last year and this product helped me get my curls back. Now I am massaging my scalp with my scalp massaging brush. I think you can get this brush from Amazon because Amazon have everything pretty much. I bought mine 2 years ago from eBay. Next, I'm gonna use the conditioner. Oh my god. My favorite part of this conditioner is when I feel the peppermint on my scalp. It gives me chills. It leaves my hair soft, shine, and juicy. I love it. Oh my god. These two products are my hair best friend. Oh my god, it feels amazing. Okay, I'm gonna tell you how it feels. You know, after a long day at work or school, hungry, and came home and your mom cooked your favorite meal, you just sitting there enjoying your meal. This is exactly how it feels right now. Oh my god, it feels so good. The first time I use these two products on my hair, I can feel my curls are coming back, and this is why I stick to it. These products are my hair best friend, like I said. If your hair is damaged from heat, perm, or anything, you should give it a try. Y'all already know how much I love my scalp massages. Yes. Now I'm going to detangle my hair with my wide tooth comb, and I'm parting my hair in four sections and take one section at a time and twist. You can finger detangle before combing your hair if you want to have less breakage. I have to go somewhere right now and I don't really have the time to do it. Now I'm rinsing out the conditioner. I'm rinsing section by section. That's how I always rinse my hair and twist after. Of this video. If you have any questions, comment down below, or if you want to see the product I use after washing my hair, let me know in the comment. Please like if you find it helpful, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Share with your friends, your family, and thank you for watching. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.